Are you looking for best new manufactured cheap exhaust gas oxygen sensor for your car? Watch the video and get some idea about best new manufactured cheap exhaust gas oxygen sensor. Best new manufactured cheap exhaust gas oxygen sensor. Item specifics. Brand name, VENSILL. Sensor type, magnetic. Sensitivity, 0.05 S. Type, heating type. Repeatability 2%. Measuring range, 1 to 100%. Linear, 0.5 fs. Manufactured factory overview. Warranty, 2 years. Other part number, 03C907807C, 03C907807C, 03C907807D.
Thanks for watching. Price and more details, please visit the description box. Subscribe our channel for more videos.